Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of first impressions. Pretty much everything in this video, subtracting a few things I guess I've never tried before. So you guys get to see my first reactions. So before we get started, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel as well as turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So if you would like to see how I got this look and my opinion on all of these products, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start with priming my skin, and I've never tried this. This is the CoverGirl Skin Smoothing Skin Primer. It came out with their, I'm pretty sure it came out with their True Blend Matte Made foundations. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. So when I apply primers, I typically like to focus them in the center of the face, so the entire T-zone, and then go outwards to the cheeks. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sink in. That did smooth out. I wouldn't say that it's smoothed as much as like a photo finish primer from Smashbox. That one is a bit more like silicone-y. This one seems very moisturizing as opposed to very smoothing, but I did feel a little bit of smoothing, so that's that. With primers, it's really like I have to use them more than once in order to give a true testament as to if I like it or not. I will keep you guys posted on that. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Revlon Youth FX, the Fill and Blur foundation. I got it in the shade 400 Caramel and it has SPF 20. So I've never tried this. It is a new foundation. I bought this a while ago, so it's kind of less new, but it's still new. So I am shaking it up before I apply it. Just apply it directly to the skin. Hopefully this matches me because I had no idea. And hopefully that wasn't too much. So I'm just gonna blend this in with a brush. Oh yeah, it matches really good. So it's not like a cooling foundation. I don't know why I was expecting it to feel like a cool, like a colder foundation, but it's just applying normal. It's really pretty so far. For concealer, I'm going to be trying the KKW concealer. I ordered this. I got it in the shade 9, and I'm just gonna try it out to see how it does, if it's good. So this is actually my first makeup product from Kim Kardashian. I did order one of her perfumes, but this is the first makeup product. Tap it in with a foundation brush. So it doesn't look too light. I mean, it's definitely highlighting me, but it's not too light to where it's making my under eye look gray at all or anything like that. It's a nice shade. So unrelated, but my plant, this one is sick. I'm so sad. Something going on with the soil. Like the soil is actually getting mold on it. My mom is like the plant doctor. She revives every plant. So we're going to try to figure out what's going on with it today. Like we're taking it to the doctor. I took it to the doctor, aka my mom. And so she's gonna try to fix it and everything. If you guys didn't know, these are both real plants. I don't know. I mean, no one's ever asked, but these are both real. They're not fake. So I take care of this one, and my mom takes care of this one. So I'm asking for her assistance. I actually don't have a new powder, so I'm going to just go in with a powder that I already have, which is the CoverFX powder, and just set that concealer. So for bronzer, I'm going to try out this one from Buxom, which I had no idea that they have bronzers. This is the Hot Escapes bronzer in the shade Maldives, and it looks like it has a really nice shade. So we're gonna see. I'm pretty sure it does have shimmer in it. It's like a slight goldish shimmer. Oh yeah, that's a nice shade. Just like the shades that I use normally. I don't know if you can see that, but it's slightly shimmery right there. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be trying the one from the PatrickStarrr Matte collection. It is the Hot and Heavy Face Powder, and it's opalescent, which means it has shimmer in it. So this is their highlighters. That is so pretty. So for eyeshadow, I'm also going to use another one from PatrickStarrr, and this one is the Heat Stroke Eyeshadow Quad. And I'm going to start with this shade right here. Oh, I guess I could have done my brows first. Let's do our brows first. I don't know, I just feel weird without having my brows on before I start doing eyeshadow. So I'm gonna try this new product, and this is the Shape and Shade Brow Tint from MAC. It's like a liquid liner on this end, and then it's a powder on this end. So So I've never tried anything like this, so we're just gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna just outline where I like my brow hairs. Oh wow, that is a really easy product. This is because it's like a liquid liner that it really easily just goes onto the skin and it's not tugging at all. So I think you just use the liner part to outline, and then you're supposed to take the other side to fill it in. This is like a powder. And then if you need more product, you just dip it back in there, because you can see the product is down here. I'm gonna clean it up, but it's really nice. I like the idea of it as well. It's really cool. So now back to the eyeshadow. I'm going to do this shade on a Sigma E40 brush. Just blend that into the crease. That's nice. A nice color. Okay, so for the lid, I'm actually going to use the Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadow in the shade Sizzle, and I'm going to apply it with my finger because I think that's what they say the best way to apply it. So I'm gonna get some on my finger. Look at that, and just apply it all over the lid. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is super pretty. I'm keeping this shirt on. This was just for the makeup, but I'm keeping this on because it matches. Oh my goodness. And then it's a shade I've never ever tried before. Like, I don't have anything like this shadow. That's part of the reason why I ordered it, because it was like, I don't have anything like the Sizzle shade. And it's so pretty for the summertime too, because it just spices up the look. Now I'm going back in with that same shade to just blend the edges a little bit. And I didn't get any fallout from this shadow. Maybe a little bit of the shimmer is right here, but nothing too bad at all. Gorgeous shadow. I mean, look at that. It's so pretty. It almost makes your eyelid look wet. That's pretty. And now back to the palette, I'm gonna use this shade right here and apply this to the lower lash line. Oh my goodness, this eye look is so pretty. Okay, looking for an eyeliner. Let's do something fun. That's fun enough, huh? Blue, I mean purple. Blue or purple? Blue or purple? Blue or purple? Let's go with purple. So I'm gonna add this to the waterline. This is actually from Buxom as well. This is the Hold the Line waterproof eyeliner in the shade Doors Unlocked. So for mascara, I'm going to try the Buxom Big Tease Plumping Mascara. This is the only new mascara I have. It's really nice. Before and after, that's nice. And I'm just gonna use that same highlighter used on my face right in the inner corner. The Eylure 128 lashes, some of my faves. For my lip liner, I'm going to use NYX Espresso Lip Pencil. And then for lipstick, I think it may be, I don't know if it's lipstick, like liquid lipstick or lip gloss, but I'm going to use the Buxom Viva Plump Lights Down, well, in the shade Lights Down. So now I'm going to be trying the Laura Geller Love Me Do Lip Crayon. And this one is in the shade Fig Prosecco. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I think pretty much my favorite product, just first impressions, was the bronzer. I really like this, and I think I'm definitely going to be using this in a lot of my videos. That's not to say that I didn't like anything else, but that was my favorite. I pretty much liked everything in the video, but that was my favorite product. So let me know what you guys like the best on me. Oh, you know what? And the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow was popping. The Block Party shadow from Dose of Colors. So those are the two things. I hope I'm not missing anything. Those are my two favorites out of everything that I tried. I hope. Ooh, I also like the mascara. Okay, I liked everything. I liked everything. So let me know what was your favorite thing that I tried in this video down below in the comments. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.